Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be looking at making these formers and stuff for airplanes here. It's not very difficult to do, just a little time consuming, but I'll show you how to do this. So, in case you want to, let's say here, let me turn the fuselage on. It's okay, let me turn this on. Okay, we have the fuselage here. And you want to make formers and you want to cut these out on a laser. I'll be showing you how to do that to make the formers. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, well, here we have the model itself. What I did is turn off the wings. And since I'll be doing this fuselage first, we'll turn off the canopy too. And turn off the cowl. Now what I want to do is use an offset plane here. So I'll come up to construct, offset plane, and use this here. And let's see, turn on the construction so we can see it. And then move this back. To there. And click OK. Now, since Fusion will not let you do let's see, a pattern from a plane like this to put more planes in here, so we have to work around that. So one way that you can work around this is create a sketch on this plane here, which I'll do. And I'm going to use a 2-point rectangle and draw a box around this. And click OK. And finish the sketch. Then turn the sketches back on. And I'm going to come up to the surface. And we have this, and I'm just going to patch this. Or you could extrude it also. And click OK. So now what I can do with this is put more of these in here. But first what I want to do is separate these two here. So create a sketch on this plane here. And I'm going to use a line. And just make this straight across. And split this body here and use that line as the splitting tool. And click OK. Now turn off the extended splitting tool here because you'll cut into this if you don't. And we don't need to cut up the front. Then I want to turn this portion off here. Okay. Now what I want to do here is come up to create and use a pattern, and I'm going to use the rectangle pattern. This is the object I want to use. And the axis is this. And drag this back. To there. And I'm going to add more. Just like that. And click OK. And now what I want to do is split bodies. And the body is split for each one of these. And the splitting tool is going to be this fuselage here. Now each one of these are the outer ones. So this is 68. We can go ahead and remove these. And this one is 69. Remove. 70. And I'm just removing these because the tree over here becomes really cluttered, and we're not going to be using these anyway. Okay. Now if we turn the fuselage off, we have our formers. And we can label these here. F1. F2. F3. Okay. And these are our formers here. Now what you can do is extrude each one of these. So whatever thickness that the wood that you'll be using to make these with, you want to make that the thickness of this. So make this symmetric. And if the wood that you're using is going to be 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter thick, whatever it is, just put that in here. So if you're going to be using like 1 millimeter wood, or let's just make this a 0.5 and click OK. And that'll be your first former. Okay. And that's how you do that. Not very difficult. Now what you want to do, when you want to cut these out using a laser, what you want to do is save a sketch as a DXF file, so you can put that into your laser cutting software. And to do that, what you do here is pretty simple too. Create a sketch on the, like you're going to use this one, create a sketch on this plane here. and then use project this and click OK. And finish sketch. Then your sketch is over here. That should be the last sketch I just did of that, which is this here. Then what you want to do is right click on this and then click Save as a DXF file. And just save that's a DXF file. And then you can put that into your laser cutting software and cut that out. Okay, now let's do a wing here. You turn those off, those formers. And we're going to create a sketch on this plane here. And use a 2-point rectangle again. Finish sketch. Go up to surface, use patch. You turn off the wing here. And this here. And click OK. Turn the wing back on. And we're going to use a pattern again, a rectangle. And click OK. And going to use a split body. And these are the bodies to split. And the splitting tool is going to be this wing. And click OK. Then once again, we can delete these, not delete, but remove them. And name this wing 1 or W1. W2. Okay. Now turn off the wing. And we have our formers there. And again, extrude this. And extrude these to whatever thickness you need them to be also. So we have that one. Change the colors on these. You don't have to change the colors. I'm just doing this just for visual so you can see them easier. And there's what we have so far. And again, if you want to laser cut the parts out, and you just need to create a DXF file of this shape here. So what you do is just click on this profile here, whichever one you're using at the time, and create a sketch. And project this profile and click OK and finish sketch. And then that particular sketch that you just did of that, again, just come down here, and so it's this one here. Just right click and then click on Save as a DXF file. So each one of these profiles you'll just save, or excuse me, each one of these sketches you'll save as a DXF file. And let's turn on the redder here. And we're going to do the same thing here. Let's turn on origin here. Well, actually, just create a sketch. Undo this. And I just drew this line because I'm going to be doing a plane and angle. using this line here, 0, and then click OK. Then create a sketch on this plane here. And use that 2-point rectangle again. And patch this. Then we're going to use a pattern, rectangle. This is the object. That is the axis I'm using. Then move this up to the top. Then split body. These are the bodies to split. And I'm going to use this. Click OK. And remove each one of these. This just gets rid of the clutter over in the tree over here. Then we can rename these R1. And it's best to rename all this stuff while you're doing it so it doesn't get confusing. Okay. And this is what we have. And what we can do now is mirror these. And now we have our parts to be laser cut out. Now you can go ahead and build this out too, so you can add in the ailerons and stuff cutouts too. You can do all that, but won't be doing that in this video. I just want to show you guys how to make the formers and stuff to cut out the lasers for this video. And probably the next video when I come back to this, I will show you guys how to cut out put in the ailerons and all the other stuff too, and the servos and hatches and all that kind of stuff if you want to see that. So yeah, so if you want to see that, how to finish this wing out so it's completely done, so you can just cut it and everything is all in the right spots and everything, go ahead and leave a comment and let me know, and I'll go ahead and do that for you guys. So yeah, but anyway, that's going to do it for this video. Just want to show you guys a quick way of doing this and a few workarounds how to pattern things like this. So yeah, but anyway, that's going to do it for this video, and hope you guys have a great rest of the week, and we will catch you in the next video.
Subscribe for more.